Recent advances in artificial intelligence, AI, are transforming the world of work. Earlier predictions focused largely on blue-collar jobs, such as manufacturing work, as the most vulnerable to automation. Today, generative AI is raising similar questions about the future of white-collar employment. The origins of white shirts and blue workwear. The terms white-collar and blue-collar became widely used in the United States during the early 20th century. White clothing was easily stained and required frequent washing, so it came to symbolize office workers, managers, and professionals. The expression blue-collar, meanwhile, emerged from the blue denim clothing commonly worn by laborers. During the American Gold Rush, workers and miners depended on durable garments for demanding physical tasks. Indigo-dyed denim, valued for its low cost and longevity, gained widespread popularity. Consequently, blue clothing came to represent manual occupations. A labor market, beyond simple color labels. The distinction between white-collar and blue-collar workers was originally based on the difference between mental and physical labor. Over time, however, a variety of new collar categories emerged. One example is the term green collar, which refers to workers in environmental protection and eco-friendly industries. The term developed alongside the growth of green industries and sustainable development. Another example is gold collar, which describes highly skilled professionals, such as doctors and lawyers. The name reflects the value and rarity of their specialized expertise, much like gold itself. What is interesting is that these newer color labels are no longer closely connected to actual clothing. Today, different collars function mainly as symbolic descriptions of occupational characteristics and social roles. According to some critics, these classifications are problematic because they place workers into predefined groups and can strengthen assumptions about the status or value attached to different forms of employment. The power of language and bias. Language is more than a tool for describing reality. It can shape the way people view the world and influence the values they come to accept as natural. The terms white-collar and blue-collar originally served as simple labels to distinguish categories of work. Over time, however, they began to carry implied judgments about which occupations are viewed as more desirable, skilled, or socially prestigious than others. Today, as AI continues to reshape the labor market, it is worth asking whether these color-based classifications remain useful. As AI blurs the boundaries between different kinds of work, it may also provide an opportunity to move beyond the biases that these traditional labels have carried for generations.